come to, we have to discuss one more question. Krishna and Sunil are partners in a firm sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 2:1. Krishna withdrawn rupees 5,000 at the end of each quarter. So in the last class they are given beginning of each quarter. In this question they are given end of each quarter at the rate of 10%. Here we have to change the percentage. 10% per annum for the year ending 31st March 2020. Calculate interest on drawings under average period method. So this is the question they are given. So first we have to analyze what the information they are given. So Krishna and Sunil are the partners in a firm sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 2:1. So this we have to ignore, we won't consider. Krishna withdrawn rupees 5,000. He is withdrawing rupees 5,000 when at the end of each quarter, every quarter ending he is going to be withdrawn in each quarter. For the year ending 31st March 2020, the financial year will be closed from 31st March 2020. Therefore, we can assume the year will be begins on 1/4/2019 only. Calculate interest on drawings under average period method. So this is the question. So here also average period means we have to consider 3 steps it will come. So first calculation of interest on Krishna's drawings. Step number 1, calculation of average period. How to calculate means we have one formula. Average period is equal long period plus short period divided by 2. Now the duration, long period, how many months will become. So here the partner has withdrawing quarterly. Quarterly means 3 months once. But he is withdrawing end of each quarter. End means so last of June, April, May, June last date is going to be withdrawn. So the first 3 months will not consider. So totally the long period is 9 plus short period is 0 because the month first 3 months we not consider, so that months will become a 0 divided by 2 or is equal 9/2. This will be considered as a average period. Average period is equal 4.5. 9 divided by 2 will be converted into 4.5 months. So average period is 4.5. So this is the step number 1. Let's come to step number 2. So in the step number 2, we have to calculation of total drawings. We have to calculate a total drawings. Total drawings is equal amount of drawing into number of months they are given. So if the partner has withdrawing beginning of the quarter, end of the quarter, but year will be ended on 31st March 2020 means always begins with 1st April 2019. Now we have to consider the total duration is total 4 quarters we have to get. So 4 only we have to consider. Now total drawings is question mark, we don't know, but amount of drawings is 5,000 into how many quarters? 4 quarters will be considered in a year, so 4. So now the total amount of drawings is 20,000. This is step number 2. We have to get total drawings is 20,000. Let's come to step number 3, calculation of interest. Interest on drawings is equal, one formula is there, total drawings into rate of interest into average period into 1 divided by 12. So this is the question. So this is the formula. With the we have to implement the formula. Interest on drawings we don't know. Total drawings we are calculated in the step number 2, that is 20,000. Rate of interest is 10% into average period is 4.5. So 4.5 is the average period into 1 divided by 12. Therefore, by simplifying this, we have to get the interest on drawings is 750 rupees. So, like this manner we have to calculate it. If the partner withdrawn at the end of the quarter means we have to calculate according to 3 steps only. But quarterly basis, middle of the quarter, they never given. Only beginning of the quarter, end of the quarter only has to gain. But monthly means beginning of the month, middle of the month, end of the month we have to get. So like this manner we have to calculate the interest on drawings. So still here the drawings, the information of drawings and related transactions will be completed. In the next class onwards we have to move to profit and loss appropriation account, direct method and also indirect method, guaranteed method also.